Hey guys, today I'm going to make some tacos with leftover roast beef. So let's get toasting. I cooked that roast beef in my air fryer on New Year's with those potatoes and carrots. I thought it came out good. So today I'm going to make some tacos with it. I'm going to add just a little bit of avocado oil to the pan, a little bit more. I made a couple already just to make sure this would work out okay, and I thought they were good, so we'll do a couple of them. Put a couple of these corn tortillas in there. I could probably fit actually like 3 of them if I wanted to, but I think I'll just do 2 for now. So that oil will help soften up the tortillas. Also have some leftover cheese from a cheese tray here, so we use that for the cheese. I did it on the ones I did earlier that it melted real nice. I was surprised how well it melted. Sometimes cheese these days doesn't really melt very good. And then I cut up some of this roast beef here, so we'll just put a little bit of that in there. And now I'll get this in the toaster oven. I have the oven rack in the middle of the oven. I'll get those in there. And this oven has an air fry setting, so I'm going to use that. That is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven doesn't have an air fry setting, just use bake and turn it all the way up to like 450. And I'll just keep an eye on that until they start to look done. It's been about 4 minutes. I'm going to pull these out and check on them. Well, the cheese is melted. Look how well that cheese melted. I think I'll see if I can fold these over. They're not very crispy. I think I'll put them back and see if I can crisp the outside up just a little bit more. I'll just keep an eye on them until the outside looks a little bit crispier. It's been about 3 minutes or so since I put those back in there. I see the cheese bubbling out, so I'm going to get them out of there. These look good. That cheese melted really well, really nicely. Just gonna add a little bit of salsa to these now. All right, let's try a bite. That came out really good. I mean, the meat's good, the cheese melted nicely, and I really like the way the taco shells turned out. Nice texture to them, kind of greasy, but it tastes really good. I don't know if I should give Annie a taco. I've been giving her pieces of fat when I trimmed up the roast. So she'll eat a piece of cheese. There you go, Annie. Well, she wolfed that down. Those are really good. That's a good way to use extra leftover roast. So it was about 4 minutes until the cheese melted. Then once I folded them over, they were in there another 3 or 4 more minutes, and they came out perfect. Really good. So I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.